Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Kyle Jeff, back at it again with another video, and in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Dr. Pimple Popper's new Acne System Starter Kit. I am so excited. I'm going to show you the before and afters and tell you what I think and if it really works. So before I start, let me put the disclaimer that I've had acne for the longest time, and if you're like, what? Today I noticed it doesn't look too bad, but I've had it like bad, okay? And if you feel like you can't see it, let me go close up. This is really scary. But like, you can probably see it somewhere around here. Like, I know I have one right there. I have a bunch over here. It's a 3-step system. So it says that your skin should be dampened. So I just wet this towel and I'm just gonna start to, like, you know, wet my face a little bit. By the way, if I look over here, it's because I'm looking straight into a mirror. I just have a good feeling about this one. Okay, so the first step of the treatment is the Acne Cleanser. Oh, it's clear. I thought it was gonna be like white or something. I'm rubbing it in, but it feels like it just sunk into my skin. So, I don't know if that's a good thing. It's step 2, which is the Acne Lotion, which is for the daytime use, and the other one's for the nighttime use. But like I said, it's daytime, so I'm using this one. Let's see. You know what, another thing I like about this so far is that it doesn't burn. I feel like most acne medicines, they do burn. It's like I feel like it's already sinking into my skin. It definitely moisturized my skin. But I do feel my skin starting to tingle just a little bit, but like it's not burning, it's just tingling. So, let it sink in. Come on, get rid of this acne. So the final step is step 3, which is the facial moisturizer. Apply a pearl-sized amount in upward strokes. Okay, that's like a pearl-sized amount, right? It depends on how big the pearl you're thinking of. That's how I see it. Get right on that pimple, yes. Ooh. Like I said, I feel it tingling, but like I would hope so, because then I would think it means it's working if it's tingling. You know that acne where like on camera you can't really see it, but like if you're in person you could see the dot 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 dot? That's my forehead. That is all 3 steps, folks. Ooh. This also makes my skin feel good. I think it definitely helped reduce the redness already, because like these 2 pimples, I have 2 specific ones on my forehead that I tell. Mount Vesuvius, oh, Mount Everest over here, the brother and sister. Okay, so side note, like, wow, my skin feels really smooth right now. Guys, so it is official. It has been 1 week since I started SLMD Acne System Starter Kit, and I am just so pleased with these results because it only has been a week, and like, it's definitely helped me, okay? Like, I had Mount Everest and Mount Vesuvius on my forehead, and now the less up, because now it's like smooth, like a baby's freaking bottom. Do you understand? Like, that is great. I had some right here, but now they're really gone too. Like, there's still some red spots, but definitely not as bad as it was before. It's crazy because like, it's only been a week, and usually acne systems, like, they take a while, or a lot of people always say, like, you know, it takes time because it gets worse before it gets better. This ish actually works. Like, half the time, these medicines don't work. Proactive, lies. Neutrogena, lies. Clean and Clear, lies. Wait, isn't that I don't know. But lies! They're all lies. This is not a lie. This is the truth, people. And especially only being a week, like, I'm shocked because usually it doesn't work that fast. But like I said, I did have like 2 very big pimples here, and as you can see, they're gone. And then here, I still have these 2 pimples over here. But when I first started, they're definitely better from then. And then I had these like 4 pimples because, you know, apparently we wanted to play 4 corners today on my face. And they were over here. And now they're like gone. They're still a little red, you can see over here in this area. However, definitely much better than when I started a week ago. But if you couldn't tell by my subscriber count and my view count, this is definitely not a sponsored video. This is something I got out of my own money. I got it on Christmas, so technically it's not even out of my own money, my parents' money. But, you know what I mean. It's just something I wanted to share with you guys, because for anyone else out there who might be struggling with acne and can't find a product that works, because, you know, been there, done that. I figured if it works, it's a good thing to share with you guys, and it does work, so I'm actually really excited that I decided to make a video out of this. So anyone who's interested, make sure you definitely go check it out. I'll put a link down in the description if you are interested. Well, that's all I got for you guys for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, something a little different for you guys, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and you subscribe. It's your boy Kyle Jeff. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Poppin', she poppin'. Is that what she says? Yeah, no, she said that right?